Once it is assigned, you can also look at the leave balance for all of your employees. You can simply go to the balance subsection. You can look at a list of your employees with the leave balance of each of the leave types assigned to them. So this employee, Abhijit Kumar, has 3 comp offs, and he has 18 annual leaves. He has 9 festival leaves. You can look at the list. You can even export it if required. If you want to import leave balance to your employees, you can click on the import button and then choose if you want to update accrued leaves or applied leaves. Accrued leaves meaning the leaves that an employee has in his balance already. Applied leaves meaning the leaves that he has already taken from his balance. You can update both. Uh, you can update both balances. For that, you need to download the Excel sheet here. Choose whichever balance you are updating. Choose it accordingly and download the Excel sheet and update the Excel and upload it back to the system by clicking on the select file option.